Good morning Alberta. Ayan, pangalawang araw ni Soporiman ngayon guys. Ayan papunta kami ngayong Vancouver. Pero mamamasyal muna kami sa Moraine Lake at Lake Louise. Titingnan natin ang beauty of creation ng Panginoon.
I thought the S was silent.
Normally, yeah, but there's an E at the end, so it's that used to be. You good?
Parang kwanto pipeline ng Toronto.
It might rain so very in here, man. Almost. So, pababa. Look at that. Ito hindi ka naman gagas dito. Pero ang makahawakan mo rito. Pababa yun. Dahil lang gumagana. It's going down. Ay, di pagkakamitin natin, diba? Yung way kumuhog tayo. Itong place na ito.
That was not me. That was Iman. Iman touched it. Give it my I couldn't even touch it. I promise I couldn't even touch it.
I really
Actually, the 1960s, having been launched by the Information Processing Model developed by Alan Turing.
Who's Alan doing?
Alan was an alien.
He created
This
physics.
really hurts, okay? I can't move it. So that means you should move that thing.
Mahal kasing hotel dito kaya hindi siya kumuha. Mas malapit na tukan mo. Easy.
Sa Calgary pa rin pala tayo nagpupunta. Dito nga mahal na.
It doesn't look good.
Can you see it even?
No, I can't.
No, no, no. Anna, I need. Whoa, let me. Hold up. I don't know why you're blocking me. Stop. Iman.
Parang dito tayo nag-hotel. Malapit dito.
Okay, like hold on.
Sa
Ignore
may
the background. I just realized the guy in the background. I was thinking,
Huh? Okay, wait.
I think I'm connected to your phone, Mom, or just its phone.
My phone.
Oh, your phone?
Yeah, my phone is unlimited now.
You're this old idiot. Oh, wait. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Yung mga tree na tumutubo lang dyan kasi may lumot na yung Rocky Mountain. Taas pala yan. Hindi siya lupa. Yan, malapit na tayo. Sabi ko sa'yo, palalapit tayo eh. Oh. Nakikisignal din siya na rin bisikleta.
Wait, then are we going hiking?
Para may design ni Steve Freeman. Look at that. Wow. Ayan, yung mountain na yan, Iraqs. Ha? Tutubo lang yung kwan kasi nilumot. Kakalumot. Mga tree. Makakita kayo ng
Oh, you
falls
know the
dito.
Three Sister Mountains have different names.
Ano?
There's Charity.
Oh, yun oh, nag-hiking yung mga yun oh.
What is
Ah,
charity?
hindi. Nagkwan niya, natulog yan yung mga yan. Mga camping ang mga yan.
Look at
Yeah.
Alka. She has a scratch on her forehead.
Oh, yeah. May camping pa dyan.
What's
May daanan pa ba?
Auntie, what's charity?
Yeah.
Mommy, what's charity?
Look at this. Go down, Iman.
Charity.
Look at this. Ah, nice. Look at that.
Charity. You don't know what charity is?
Diba?
It's like donation.
So I'm donating my iPad.
Bow Valley Park. Ito pala sa Bow Valley Park. Diyan bumaba tayo. Nag-picture tayo dito. Ngayon o, diyan tayo bumaba no. OW. 70 kilometer. Pump 11. Oh, we're close to the pump. Huh? Gondola. Mountain rocks. Wala talaga puno sa taas iman. Hindi tutubuan yan sa taas. Dito ko binili yung shikwang ko eh.
Tanggalin na yun.
Yo.
Bunga na. Nasa?
Sabi mo, full na raw ang park.
Saan?
Lake Louise. Ayan. Pwede pumasok ng diretso.
Diretso sa...
Ayan. Diretso siya. Ibig na kami lang pala siya. Narigat umuli.
Yeah.
Logger lang sila.
Parang hindi.
Kita magic kanina, papartak pa yung magnan ah.
Yeah.
Yun.
May dapat pala dito sila sa ano.
Dapat talaga maaga dito pag pumunta ka ng Lake Louise.
Meron namang ihian dito, di ba?
Wala. Bus na lang. Ayan si tita. Gusto nilang makita yung Rushing River.
Ayan pala eh.
Tignan natin yung Rushing River. Ayan lang napuntahan namin nun eh. Ganda, oh. Nice. Iba yung kulay, ng tubig, oh. Oh, my great, oh. Hey, cheese. Say cheese. Bilisan na, magpipicture tayo. Pulis Kuya Ryan. Doon na pala. Yun pala si Kuya Ryan. Ayun, si Uncle kukuha ng tubig daw o iuwi niya sa Winnipeg. Ha? Oh. Giyawit kita nung guys. Malakas ang pan nito eh. Sulfur na ang tubig nito. Yun, nakaalam, may isang buti. Ha? Tapos na ako na Winnipeg, may 1 milyon. Guys, itong batong ito oh, may nakalinyang puti oh. Yan. Ayan oh, bakbakin nyo ito, may gold sa loob ito. Yan, may gold yan. O yan, ginawa niya rin noon yan, hinawakan niya yung tubig guys. Yan. Hold the water! Hold it the water! Guys, ang ganda rito oh. Yan, sa may Lake Louise. Pumasyal din kayo, nasa likod lang ng market ito. Nice.